Hello and welcome back to another Physical Sciences 3 lecture. We're going to continue on with the energy transfer examples now. So we've got example 5 here. A 40 kilogram trolley is travelling northwards at 1 meters per second, then has a force of 5 newtons north acting on it over 10 meters. So the initial kinetic energy, and this time I'm going to write kinetic energy as KE. Sometimes you'll see it this way, and I'll put initial. So initial down there, you can read that, is equal to a half mv squared, which is equal to a half times by 40 times by 1.0 squared, and that is equal to half times 40 is 20 times 1 squared is 1, so 20, it's going to be 20 joules. Okay, what was the work done on the trolley by the force? So work is equal to force times displacement. Okay, and so we have here 5 newtons over 10 meters. So the work that was done after it was already moving is equal to 5 newtons times by 10 meters, which is equal to 50 joules. And you can see here, sometimes it's better to write joules rather than newton meters, because then we can compare the two energies essentially. So find the final kinetic energy of the trolley. Well, if we remember that work, so work is equal to change in energy, remember that. So we can say that the kinetic energy of the final kinetic energy is equal to the initial kinetic energy plus the change in energy. So then it's just simply going to be 20 joules plus 50, which is equal to 70 joules. And then we need to calculate the final speed. So we have the final kinetic energy here, 70 joules. It's going to be equal to half times the mass, which is 40 times v squared. Okay, so in this case, our velocity is just speed. So velocity is, or speed is velocity without the direction, so we don't have to worry about the direction. So again, half times 40 is 20. So let's divide 70 by 20. It's equal to v squared. And I'm trying to fit in, therefore v is equal to the square root of 70 divided by 20. 70 divided by 20 is 3.5, same as 7 divided by 2. Whoopsie daisy. I want to get my calculator up, not the OBS. So we've got square root of 3.5 is equal to 1.87 meters per second. And because it's just a speed, we don't have to worry about direction, so that answer is fine. As you can see by that heading there, elastic energy is next.